Looking for a new course in nursing and paramedical course? Admissions open at one of the most top colleges in the country. East-West Group of Institutions, Bangalore, recognized by Indian Nursing Council and Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Science. Choose your courses on your screen. Hurry up! Limited seats available. For more details, contact the link given below.
Kisamla ki Malaysian bentah ha Jingïalang gabla penlong dak education cell jong Khyndailad Trap Youth Council HYC ha Khyndailad ha kanok pai sngi jong arpolai tarik unai tung arhajar arpun riu kila penpau ya ka jingpitar halor ka jingle jong sarkar National Democratic Alliance ka balam khmat dak BJP bat ki bor pulit ha ka jingki ki samla puli hanong ba Delhi. Hagani Jingïalang nolor ki dekat ke HYC lawan ru bani simbenta dagi kena ki samla pulie ki rangba bat ki wei ki belara ki plakat ki bapendram ya kesorkar National Democratic Alliance NDA bat ki bakeliru syapang ka lawe jong ki samla pulie hakari. Lawan bani don lang ru dagi dekat ka hito ke HYDC ki samla pulie bat ki wei ki ri rangba ki bapenpau ya ka jingkersan jong ki. Kumban chupen kan mau haka arpau tarik unai tung arhaja arpun riu ki samla pulie ki besim benta haka jingki balakhat penlong daka cockroach Janata Party berusunam wang chok hanong ba Delhi kila syak tiet syak bom lathi bat syak kawang tear gas daki bor pulit kan bagi dang yat ba sa parliament. Ketika jingyat ba kalong sibenta ka jingki ke badawa yau menteri ketenat puli ke sarkar India Udharmendra Pradhan buun hierno na kasyuki halor ke jingkeno bakala don ke jinglat tu jong ki jingkeli examen NEET need. Kawai nagi samla ki bakran hakani ke Jingïalang kala kenno bau menteri rang badu kari India u Narendra Modi menswa ujuong beti bachao beti padhao henry menta kat kum ke Jingïong jongka kala dei banong Modi bhagao desh bachao lane penher Krad yau Modi ban em kari.
Speaking on behalf of all the NEET aspirants who had to face so much of atrocities because of the paper leak, because of the failure of our education system. My question is to the Education Minister of India and to the Prime Minister of India, Narendra Modi ji, why can't you conduct an exam fairly? I think you also got this post because of cheating. In the year 2012, Modi said, "Achhe din aane wale hain." Now I'm saying, Modi ji, हमें खराब ही नहीं देने देते ना। हमारे खराब दिन वापस दे दो। लेकिन पेपर लीक मत करवाओ मोदी जी। Don't play with our lives. We are the future of this nation. Modi ji, I think you should resign because you are too old. Dharmendra Pradhan, resign as fast as possible because we are sick of this government. In 2012, Modi said, "Beti bachao, beti padhao." Now I would like to say, Modi bhagao, desh bachao. Ab ki baar antim sanskar.
Stop thinking about your power and start thinking about the student. And I would also like, why it's taking too long for you to resign? It's just because you don't know how to write or type a resignation letter? So you just take a paper and pen and make sure it does not leak. You can write and even if you are that much illiterate that you can't even type or write, then I'll send you from Meghalaya and you just take your angutha, घर में लगाओ, तो जाओ. Thank you so much.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashap plus F hakajingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta I ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba kham bha ka jing im ba kham bha pendon kam daki marbam modon ka sharp plus F menta ka sni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya